heron was feeding on the fish that the eagle decided it wanted.
Yeah, well, they were both fighting over something. That eagle's gonna make it to shore pretty quick.
He's doing the butterfly like Michael Phelps, my dad says to say. I'm okay to keep you on the phone if you're okay. We're gonna find out in 10 seconds.
Yeah, that eagle's nearly at the shore.
Are you capturing video, Mom?
I am. There, that eagle's coming ashore right now. What's he got?
Dead heron.
Yeah.
Well, look, it's very proud.
But he clearly can't. I think that heron isn't. Look at that. He's dragging it up the shore. I don't think the heron's gonna make it. I think. He's trying to lift off with that thing.
And wants to know what we're doing. He keeps looking over at us like, yeah, who did that? Oh, the heron's feathering it to get rid of the weight, I think.
Well, I hope the heron's already dead.
My mom's gonna have some great photos, so we'll be able to. Oh, look at that.
Yeah.
There's a lot of death theme on this holiday.
Yeah.
Lee, I'll put you on speakerphone and see if I can text you a picture right now.